In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to JBL Bluetooth speakers. So let's get started. Now our first step should be putting these speakers into pairing mode. So to do this, you first have to turn on the JBL speakers, then press the Bluetooth button on the JBL keyboard on the JBL speaker, and then there'll be a light that will blink. Now this light, when it's blinking, it means that the pairing mode is on. Now what we have to do is we have to head over to settings on our iPad and go over to Bluetooth. Now here under the other devices, your JBL speaker should pop up. So just wait for it to pop up. When it pops up, just go ahead and click on connect, and then obviously the sound will now play through the JBL speaker. Now, let's say it doesn't show up, then what you should do? Then try turning the speaker from off to on and then reopen it and then follow the same steps again, because sometimes it just doesn't work the first time and works the second time. You can also try closing your Bluetooth and reopening it, because that also sometimes works out for me. Another thing that you guys should make sure is that your speakers are not connected to any other device, for example, your laptop or your phone. Because if that's connected somewhere else, then you can't connect it to your iPad. So you must make sure that you disconnect it from your other devices before connecting it to your iPad. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.